Hi everybody and welcome to Improve My Maths, a maths channel to help you to improve your maths by yourself. In this video we will be learning an addition mental strategy. We will be learning how to add two-digit numbers that are similar in our heads easily. This strategy is called Paired Numbers, Part 1. This video was made to help children who are around 8 and 9 years old, so make sure it is suitable for you and the class you're in, whatever country that is. So, what are mental strategies? Mental strategies help us to do addition and subtraction sums in our heads easily and quickly without using paper. Today's mental strategy is an addition mental strategy called Paired Numbers. Part 1. This strategy is used for two-digit numbers that are like pairs. Let's do our first sum. Remember to do this in your head. Here we've got 52 plus 49. Because these numbers are near each other or like pairs, we're going to round them. So the 52 gets rounded to 50. The 49 gets rounded up to 50. The 52, though, is 50 plus 2. The 49 is 50, take away 1. Now, 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. And 2 take away 1 is equal to 1. So, 100 plus 1 is equal to 101. Great! Great work. Let's do one more, just to make sure we understand. I want you to pause the video to see if you can do it by yourself. 43 plus 39. Press pause and we'll do the answer afterwards. Let's see if you are correct. Now, here is the solution. 43 plus 39. Because these numbers are near each other or like pairs, we're going to round them. So 43, well that gets rounded down to 40. And 39 gets rounded up to 40. So 43 is 40 plus 3, 39 is 40 take away 1. So 40 and 40 makes 80. 3 take away 1 is equal to 2. Add up the 80 and the 2, which makes 82. Great work. Let's do one last one to make sure we understand. I want you to pause the video to see if you can do it by yourself. Now make sure to use the strategy by rounding. Press pause and we'll do the answer afterwards. Let's see if you are correct. Now here is the solution. So 22 plus 18. The 22 gets rounded to 20, the 18 gets rounded to 20. So 22 is 20 plus 2, the 18 is 20 take 2. 20 plus 20 is 40. 2 take away 2 is 0, so the answer is 40. Fantastic. Great job. You've hopefully mastered a new addition mental strategy. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.